Hi everybody, and thanks for watching. My name is Kay. My channel mostly focuses on content that is fashion, sneaker, and sometimes beauty related. If that sounds like things that you're into, then please do join us. I would love to have you. Today what I'm going to be doing is an unboxing of some Yeezy Gap Balenciaga pieces. I still don't have all my pieces. I was trying to wait because I've been waiting on the jeans. During the first drop on February 27th, I brought a pair of jeans and I also brought a shirt. But I got the shirt, but I still have not gotten the jeans. And so there was a second drop on, I want to say like March 27th, I believe. And during that drop, I bought 2 of these ski masks, and I also bought another shirt. All of that stuff came, and I'm still waiting on my jeans. So a little while ago, they sent me a confirmation thing that was like, let them know you still want your order, and it was supposed to be shipping by July 15th. July 15th came and went, and it still did not come. And I don't know how much longer they're going to take with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to review what I do have, and when the jeans come in, I'll do a separate video. Hopefully they restock this jean jacket. The jean jacket was crazy, y'all. It was like $400, but it was so nice, but it was sold out. There was only like large sizes by the time that I seen it, so I didn't buy it. And then I was hoping that it would make a reappearance, and I have not seen it make its appearance yet again. But if it does come back, I'm gonna buy that as well, and I'm hoping that I can do like the whole set. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna open what I do have. I have 3 boxes, so I'm just going to start with one of them and then just move down the stack, and we'll see what's in each of them. But altogether, I have 2 shirts, and I also have a some ski masks. So I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys, but I was trying to find something that was like unisex in this collection that I could do, and I didn't really want to do t-shirts because of sizing. People wear different sizes. But originally I was trying to do a hat for you guys, but the hat was sold out at that time. I don't even have a hat for myself, so I didn't get a hat for you guys, but I do have a ski mask for you guys. So I know that's a small giveaway, but it's something that I'm going to do. So I don't know how long I'm going to run the giveaway. I'll probably I will put the details somewhere. I don't know.
There is a brief description later on in this video, but also just check the description box.
So this one was a t-shirt. I just took it out the package. So here's the shirt in the front. And here's the back of it. And this is like the crop logo tee or something. I'll put the name on the screen because I can't say that I remember. But this is the small shirt, and this is big. And it was supposed to be oversized, but I wasn't expecting this oversized. We'll see if it fits like that, because sometimes things look really big, but they're not that big. But this is a small, and these are all unisex. I'm going to put this stuff on for you guys at the end or somewhere. I don't know. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the next piece. And that's in this box.
So I'm going to run a giveaway for about 3 weeks. All you have to do is be subscribed and just let me know that you're interested. So leave me like a black heart in a comment, or just a comment stating that you're interested, and I will randomly select the winner. I will also have these details in the description box, as well as I'm going to create a short video that just tells the details of the giveaway.
And I think this was like a small logo shirt or something. I'm going to take it out the packaging. This is also in a size small. And again, I bought them in smalls because these are unisex clothes. So, you know, unisex clothes typically run fairly large. So you want to size, like a size down, at least from your usual size. Same deal with this one. It's also extremely big looking. I will say that the materials on these is impeccable. It's like so thick. This shirt is crazy thick. I don't even know why I'm holding this up like you can see how thick it is, but this is incredibly thick. This is great quality. And Gap typically does have good quality, but this is actually more closer to the feel of like a designer, of an actual designer piece. This is how thick those type of clothes typically are. If you don't wear designer, it's like crazy thick. And they nailed it with this. The quality is amazing. So this is the shirt. Again, I'm going to put this on. This is a small. I'll put the name on the screen once again because I did forget. This shirt was $120, which is definitely higher than the typical Gap shirt. So yeah. And this one was $140, and it has the dove detailing on the back. And in the front, it just has a large Gap. I did want a hoodie at first, but I'm just really not that big of a fan of the Dove. So I didn't get one, but maybe I'll get one. Who knows? And these I'm gonna assume would be the ski mask because that's the only items that I have left besides the jeans, and I know we don't have the jeans here today. So let me open that. And again, this is the piece that I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys. I have two sizes in this. I have a small, medium, and a large and extra large. One of them is for somebody else, so I have to see what size they need. And then the other one I'll be giving away to you guys. It'll definitely be like, you don't have to do anything special. Just comment it down below. Give me a black heart or something so that I know that you're interested in the giveaway, know to enter you. And yeah, that's how we're going to do that. I might also make a short video as well because I've been wanting to give away stuff to y'all, but y'all don't ever participate. So I'll be like, what's the point in me even like doing giveaways if y'all ain't gonna participate? But anyway, this is what they look like. I'm going to open the package. This looks so funny. Okay, so I'm assuming that this is the large, extra large size because it looks so big. You definitely have to be like in the big head group for this. Yes, this is the large, extra large, and it is big, y'all. This is for like big head people. But here's the mask. It looks funny. I didn't want one of these for me. This is not really my thing. But I know some people like these, and the person that I got it for definitely likes to wear stuff like this, so they're going to be happy with it. Let me pull out the small size one and see how big that is. Oh, okay. So this one is for little head people. So I don't know. I guess it just would depend on like how much hair or how big your head is. I don't know. But this is also good quality. It's not as good quality as the shirts. The shirts were definitely like thicker, definitely worth the money. This was only $40, so I don't know how much I expected it. And it's a different material than I was expecting. It's like, I forget what you call that kind of material. It's like the kind that they make like wetsuits out of, like a swimsuit. It's like that kind of material. But it's cool. I'm not going to try this on, of course, because I'm giving this, I'm giving one away, and the other one is to somebody. It's somebody's gift, so I don't want to put it on my face because that's just like weird. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely be returning whenever my pants come in, so I can do like full look with everything. But overall, I'm very pleased with these items. It kind of makes me want to think about going back and get another piece. But first, I need to see how these fit.
So these shirts were definitely just as big as they looked. I would probably pin the sides when I wear it, like with some safety pins. I should have done it when I put it on so that you guys could see. But they also can work like this too. I'm gonna insert some images of like how I'll wear it oversized. So when I first saw these big ass boots, I fell in love with it, and I instantly knew that I was gonna buy them. But they don't release until 2023, so I do have to wait. These are the Balenciaga steroid boots, so I would wear them with those, and then I would do a pair of black skinny jeans with ripped. These are some examples of some jeans like that. And then I will also do it with like some chrome heart jewelry, or you can do inspired because you know chrome heart jewelry is very expensive. Or I would do like a Dylan Lex stack. So there's this other jewelry artist. Her name is Dylan Lex, and she does these cool stacks like this, which are really cute, and they're versatile, so you can definitely wear with other things. And yeah, that's how it works.
Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here and you enjoy these type of things, then please do join us. I would love to have you. And if not, you're just stopping by, that's cool too. Thank you for stopping by. Until next time, bye.